Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how to download free background music for your videos. So today we are looking at the archive.org website. You go to your Chrome, type in archive.org in your web address section. Up there you see this, like this, Internet Archive machine. So you scroll down to select any kind of music, any kind of sound you want that you think will be okay for the video you're trying to create. So we'll search, we check, we scroll down. Let's scroll down for a particular one that we can use here. So let's check this out and see how it is. So you see it does load. So you go down to just check the type of music there to just download it. So let's go. We're still searching, we don't know which one we'll download. So let's go. Wow. So we don't know the one to use. So this one, let's check this out. Comedy. Okay, let's check it out. So you see a lot of different sounds, music there. You click on any particular one that you really love and you think is suitable for the video you're trying to create, and just download it. So let's see the one that we can download here, just for an example. Okay, sing a song of 6 pants. Okay, so you see, you scroll down, then you pick the particular file you want to download it in, either mp3 or any other file. So we'll use mp3, I guess that's what we use here. Okay, so let's download mp3. So let's wait for it. Okay, so still loading. Before we just download it finally, you click on that dot download, and that's it. Your download will just start immediately, and the thing can be playing. You just click on the pause icon, so you see downloading file. It's already downloading, so you just wait for it to download. Okay, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our videos. Okay, so it's back. Come back. Okay, so I guess that's all for today. Until next time, guys, subscribe and like our videos, and also you can let us know the kind of video you want in the comment section. Thank you. Please subscribe. Okay, bye. Until next time.